In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for generating poetry, a step-by-step guide. We'll start by clearing out old patterns, choose the right model tier for the job, set a strong creative brief. Move your draft into focused writing space, refine lines inline, and then polish and export your piece. First, clear the creative slate so the system drops rigid analytical habits. Go to the bottom left corner of your interface, click your profile picture, and open Settings. In the Personalization tab, select Manage Memories and wipe any leftover technical outlines, business rules, or essay frameworks from past threads. This keeps narrative bias from sneaking into your verse. While you're still in Settings, confirm your default writing preference profile is set to Creative and Descriptive. That switch tells the model to favor abstract metaphor, rhythmic phrasing, and emotional cadence right from the start. Next, assign your work to the right model tier using the selector at the top of your chat window. Use the instant tier for quick, local tasks like checking rhyme options, brainstorming sensory adjectives, or grabbing crisp synonyms. When you're ready to build a full poem, move to the thinking tier. It's better at maintaining thematic through lines across stanzas, holding meter such as iambic pentameter, and layering imagery without breaking structure. Now, prime the session with a poetic framework prompt rather than a flat one-liner. Press Shift plus Enter to craft a multi-line blueprint. For example, act as an elite award-winning poet, literary critic, and creative writing mentor specializing in classical and contemporary verse. I want to co-create a deeply evocative poetic arrangement. Before you generate any lines or stanzas, ask me three highly targeted questions, one by one, about form, the emotional arc or metaphorical focus, and my preferred rhyme or meter constraints. Then answer those questions one at a time as they appear. Once your parameters are set, open your interactive poetry canvas. In the chat box, type /canvas, then create an organized poetry composition template based on our creative parameters. Format this document into a structured table, tracking stanza number, lyrical lines, sensory imagery focus, rhyme scheme blueprint, like ABAB or AABB, and rhythm or syllable count cues. Your screen will split with prompts on the left and an editable canvas on the right. To refine, highlight any line or stanza in the canvas, click the comment bubble and give a direct note, such as, "This line is too literal. Rewrite using an abstract tactile metaphor focused on cold textures or silent movement." Break the predictable meter, but preserve the ABAB link. Only that block updates. Finally, use the canvas tools to adjust reading level, apply add final polish, and then export or download as DOCX, Markdown, or PDF. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.